Just 5 months before its grand unveiling, a colossal leak has blown the lid off the Pixel 9 Pro, revealing every tantalizing detail you could desire. Hey there, tech aficionados, the same insider who spilled the beans on the Pixel 9 Pro weeks ago is back with more explosive hands-on images. This time, the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL have joined the spectacle. We're talking vibrant screenshots and juicy comparisons with other flagship phones for good measure. Let's dive into the details. The Pixel 9 is set to directly succeed the Pixel 8, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL will take the mantle from the Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 9 Pro emerges as a new contender, offering a similar powerhouse performance to the XL, but in a more pocket-friendly form. Starting with the Pixel 9, packs a solid 12 GB of RAM, whereas the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL are equipped with a robust 16. However, here's where a bit of disappointment sets in. All models across the lineup feature just 128 GB of storage. In 2024, this seems underwhelming, especially when many other Android competitors start their Pro models at a hefty 256 GB. Yet, if Google can significantly undercut the competition price-wise, it might soften the blow. Let's discuss screen sizes. The Pixel 9 sports a 6.24-inch display, the Pixel 9 Pro scales up slightly to 6.34 inches, and for those craving more visual real estate, the Pixel 9 Pro XL boasts an impressive 6.73-inch screen. Here's the kicker: bezel size. While the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro share identical physical dimensions, the Pixel 9's larger bezels reduce its screen-to-body ratio. Conversely, the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL flaunt sleek, minimal bezels that could compete with the slender ones on the iPhone 15 Pro. This is a noteworthy feat, especially considering that only a few years ago, Google's designs felt amateurish. It's fantastic to see the company elevating its design game and handing over the reins to a more sophisticated design team. Under the hood, all three devices are driven by Google's powerful Tensor G4 SoC. However, ultra-wideband (UWB) technology is exclusive to the Pro models, a feature the standard Pixel 9 lacks. Additionally, the Pro models boast a triple camera setup, while the Pixel 9 maintains a simpler dual camera configuration. Comparisons with previous models Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9, Pixel 8, and Pixel 7 showcase the evolution in design, especially with the new flatbacks on the Pixel 9 series versus the older, more curved designs. An intriguing detail is the Pro model's matte glass finish, contrasting with the Pixel 9's glossy sheen. Overall, Google has nailed the design this time. Sure, they might borrow a bit from the iPhone's aesthetic, but that's not necessarily a bad thing, right? Speaking of iPhones, here's your first glimpse of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Check it out right here, and I'll see you there.